Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to restart an iPhone with iOS 26. To do that, you have two options. The first option is just to open the control panel by swiping from right top corner, and here you will see the power button. Just press and hold on it. It's very important just to press and hold, and then just swipe from left to right. In this way you will shut down your iPhone. Or you have second options to do that. Just press volume up, then volume down, then press and hold power button. You will see power menu, power slider off again, and you just should swipe it from left to right. In this way you will shut down your device. So wait for about 5 or 10 seconds and then press and hold power button. Release power button when Apple logo appears on your screen and wait a while. Okay, here we go. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Leave me a like, leave a comment below, and of course, please subscribe to our channel. So, thanks for watching. Bye.